SkeleCore. No pop, no sag, no wrinkles. DuctSox has found the solution to fabric duct droop. While in the deflated mode, SkeleCore maximizes the open shape and does not deflate. SkeleCore Pull Tight utilizes a combination of internal hoops and tensioning baskets. SkeleCore Pull Tight is suspended from a tension cable or track suspension system and is tensioned externally, utilizing a tensioning lock to lock it in place. Pull Tight improves startup performance and aesthetics. Not to mention it's simple to install and simple to adjust. Simply install and pull tight. If you want a fabric duct system that eliminates disruptive system noise or motion at startup and unattractive fabric sag and droop, SkeleCore is the only choice. SkeleCore. It brings fabric ductwork to life. For more information, go to www.ductsox.com.